आज के टाइम की सबसे स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी, that too in the most premium DHA of Islamabad. Want to know more? Let me take you to Zameen Ace Mall. This is a 14-story mega mixed-use project in DHA Phase 2 Sector J. Direct access from Islamabad Expressway. Zameen Ace Mall's visibility, need and importance in this location is unmatched. यहाँ पर आपको एक genius mix of investment options मिलते हैं, including the mall with commercial shops and kiosks, a superb food court, variety of apartments, and last but definitely not the least, smart offices. Smart offices. इस पर कुछ बात करनी होगी। आजकल 2 से 2.5 करोड़ के घर के ऊपर you can expect to get 60 to 70,000 rupees per month rental. But what if I tell you कि in Zameen Ace Mall के smart offices के अंदर, let's suppose if you get a smart office worth 50 lakh, you can start to get this 15% guaranteed cash back, which is equal to 60 to 65,000 per month. I mean, what is better than this? This mega project houses all the amenities that you can ever think of, especially to facilitate your business motives. You get these well-equipped conference and meeting rooms, a superb food court with plenty of options for your clients and break time, daycare to facilitate our working mothers, a 3-floor basement parking with concierge service. Wait, there is more. You even get a multiplex cinema, children's play area with gaming arcade, a full-scale hypermart for everyday convenience, a health and wellness club with swimming pool, gym, spa, and sauna. This is going to be a breathtaking Murgala viewing deck. Round-the-clock security, power backup, 24/7 facilities and maintenance management. This is a fully approved DHA project और आपको यहाँ पर DHA का allotment letter भी मिलेगा. I think we haven't talked about the location enough. आइए आपको दिखाते हैं. This is DHA flyover and you get direct access from Islamabad Expressway. Just 1 minute from GT Road in close vicinity of Giga Mall and Jacaranda Club. Close to many top-tier schools of the city. Reach 0 point in 25 minutes. Blue area in just 25 minutes as well. Construction is moving fast. Inventory is moving faster. But opportunities like these do not wait. Book now. 051 111 333 333. Zameen Ace Mall.